above the spinning blue and green. The quietest view that I've ever seen. A marble hanging in the velvet night, bathed in a soft cosmic light, floating at a tilt that's strangely right. The changing of seasons, a beautiful sight. The moon is dancing at a perfect pace. The sun warms every corner of our space.
We are all just travelers on a lonely flight, leaving our shadows and reaching for the light.
The distance between us is smaller than it seems. A world full of people with a billion different dreams.
Though we may differ in the words we choose to say, forgiveness is the only light to guide the way. Fighting solves nothing when the stars are all we share. Love is the oxygen igniting the air. From up here the borders start to fade away. The colors of the nations turn to shades of gray. I see the heartbeats like a steady drum, waiting for the day the harmony will come. We are all just travelers on a lonely flight, leaving our shadows and reaching for the light.
The distance between us is smaller than it seems. A world full of people with a billion different dreams.
Though we may differ in the words we choose to say, forgiveness is the only light to guide the way. Fighting solves nothing when the stars are all we share. Love is the oxygen igniting the air.
Let go of the anger that's weighing down your soul. Accept that the universe is out of your control. Gravity pulls us to the ground as we all walk around, sharing love as a bridge that carries us to dawn.
Let go of the anger that's weighing down your soul. Accept that the universe is out of your control.
Gravity pulls us to the ground as we all walk around, sharing love as a bridge that
Carries us to dawn. We are all just travelers on a lonely flight, leaving our shadows and reaching for the light.
The distance between us is smaller than it seems. A world full of people with a billion different dreams.
Though we may differ in the words we choose to say, forgiveness is the only light to guide the way. Fighting solves nothing when the stars are all we share. Love is the oxygen igniting the air.